मरहबा शरबते गुलबहार, ताज़ा फलों, फूलों और जड़ी बूटियों के अर्कियात से तैयार शुदा।
वाह ये ताजगी कब जिंदगी में थी, चलो अब तो आ गई मीठी सी ये खुशी, गुलबहार से कितने प्यार से।
April 5th, 1987, a pleasant spring morning in Lahore. About 100 students and 9 teachers stood on what is now the basketball court. The students all new entrants to a new school. The teachers all coming from different schools, having varied experiences in teaching, anxiously awaited for the first assembly to begin. The principal, with years of valuable experience in education behind him, started the proceedings with the tilawat of the Holy Quran. The students listened in rapt silence. The journey of Ibn Sina had begun. Named after the 11th century Muslim scientist, Ibn Sina is today one of the leading educational institutes providing quality education to the children in Lahore. The school's mission statement spells out its approach and policy very clearly. We shall strive to bring our children to the highest level of their own potential. The college will aim to provide equal opportunity education to all students in all the 3 aspects: intellect, character and physique that makes up a complete individual. Pakistani nationalism and the country's need as an ideological state will be of paramount importance in formulating any educational plan, and the college will offer an academic program based on acceptance of both of these requirements. The Ibn Sina College's way of education will also amalgamate the best of the indigenous Pakistani system as well as the best of international development in the pedagogy of teaching. The 3 founders of this institution were namely Mr. Amir Raza, Mr. Ehsan Raza and Mr. Moinuddin. These founders had a clear objective to make it a quality school based on the indigenous system, which would cater for the middle class families to be affordable. Pakistan and Islam being the focus and central theme of its policy. The land was acquired in 1986. Construction started in the same year.
25 years back there was no Ibn Sina, now there is an Ibn Sina. 25 years ago Ibn Sina was a hope, now it's there.
Initially only the current girls block and the administrative block were built. There was no paved road to access the school.
Right, we had no idea at that time what this area was going to be. This Defence Society and the Y block were created later on, and this is a phenomena. It's not a society or a location, it's a phenomena of Lahore.
The classes started functioning from 5th April 1987. It started with 8 classes pre-7 and added a new year each as it went along. The first batch of student 21 in number appeared in 1991, showing on all past results, which was very encouraging. The year 1992 brought in a metric result, which put Ibn Sina almost on top out of all schools in Lahore. It was at that stage when the need for nursery class was felt and plans were made to construct a new KG section. This section was started with and was within 2 years running on full capacity of 6 sections, 3 of nursery and 3 of prep. The playgroup started in 2009 with 2 sections, also expanded to 3 within 1 year. After achieving spectacular results in metric up to 2005, it had to switch over to O-level system, forced by the government policy of not allowing students of unrecognized schools to appear in science.
We thought that we would put a crescent model type of school, giving them good Pakistani education. That is why when we started off, we did not go for O-levels. We just decided to have metric because it's a local system.
A challenge was thrown to us when we were made to switch over to O-level. There was not much trust among the parents because they believed that we were the teachers who were used to teaching metric classes, and most of the students left us, but thanks to Rector and Allah Almighty who trusted us.
Despite all apprehensions, Ibn Sina College managed to achieve a remarkable result in O-level. Not only that, its students got distinction at national and international level. Asif Yasir has been declared top in the world chemistry by the CIE for the academic year 2010. He is the only student to have got this position in this subject in Pakistan. Kala Kamar, who took the O-level examination in May-June 2009, was included in the Brilliance in Pakistan list on top in world physics. He is one of the only 4 students in Pakistan who got this distinction in this subject. Tala Kamar joined Ibn Sina College in nursery class and has been winning gold medals for academic excellence ever since. Raja Khalid, who took the O-level examination in 2008, was included in the Brilliance in Pakistan list published by the University of Cambridge. She was declared as top in Lahore division in the subject of physics.
It's difficult to get to the top, but it is even more difficult staying at the top. And this is what we are trying to achieve all the time. We have wonderful support from our students, from the faculty. We've been lucky to have good teachers.
Now, Ibn Sina had been recognized by the citizens of Lahore, and students keep coming. There are many years in which more students could not be admitted as the school was full of capacity. There has always been equal emphasis on curricular and co-curricular activities. Different teams from Ibn Sina have taken part in sports and quiz competition and won laurels for their institution.
बास्केटबॉल में लास्ट ईयर हमने 2011-12 में प्रोविंशियल लेवल पे सेकंड पोजीशन हासिल की. हम 1 पॉइंट से हार गए. उससे पहले हमने फर्स्ट पोजीशन हासिल की थी पंजाब लेवल पे.
लास्ट ईयर हमारे स्कूल ने पंजाब ओलंपिक्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जिसमें हमारा स्कूल चैम्पियन बना था. और उसी में हमारी एक प्लेयर अनम अदनान जो बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट थी.
Ibn Sina College values its people. That is why it has teachers and other members of the staff who have been working here for over 20 years or so.
It's been 24 years that I have been teaching English in this school. And it's good seeing the school grow up and me growing old.
मुझे यहाँ बायोलॉजी पढ़ाते हुए 20 साल हो गए. इतना अरसा गुजरने के बाद इब्न सीना बिल्कुल अपना घर लगता है.
इब्न सीना ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, मैंने अपने बच्चों को उर्दू सब्जेक्ट के अंदर इतना माशाल्लाह माहिर कर दिया कि अब वो मुझसे जब आके कहते हैं कि हमें उर्दू अच्छी लगती है तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Experience at Ibn Sina College has really been a very great one. I really admire the role of the management in not only turning out good students but even better citizens.
The journey has been a good one. It's been an easy one because I got great help from my staff.
The first grandchild on the campus was such a good experience when a student came and he said that my daughter has been asking me when am I going to Ibn Sina.
Tarbiyat is a word that carries great weightage in Ibn Sina. The students are taught that worldly success is great, but even greater is achieving excellence in character.
मरहबा इस बगौल, क्योंकि जब ना हो तेजाबियत और मैदे की जलन और कोलेस्ट्रॉल हो अंडर कंट्रोल तो आप रहें फिट और स्मार्ट.
दिल के आंगन में पिया नाम के तेरे बाजे ढोल, धक धक दिल से बोल मरहबा इस